Ciao, ciao.
Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the rain depression of Da Nang. My God, it's non-stop raining. It feels like December, but it is a storm somewhere inside the ocean. Yeah, in the East Sea. Everything from here to Philippines, there's a storm right now, but it will not hit Vietnam. It will actually go towards the Hainan island of China. So yeah, pretty interesting. We are now here at the Cham Bac Dan Street. I'm going to show you a little bit of impressions of the rain right now. Everything still goes on. The rain stopped from being very heavy rain to drizzle. I still bought a umbrella. So yeah, you see, I have an umbrella again.
Look how dark it is.
Yeah, it looks also very dark. I'm a little bit concerned because I'm gonna fly to Hong Kong soon. So yeah, I really don't want to have this kind of weather in the airplane. But yeah, this place is very interesting, guys. Coffee restaurant and something. Where's the name? Let me see, 1 second. TH coffee. We have to try this out. Do they have an English breakfast? Looks like they have sandwiches. Oh yes, English breakfast. Egg English breakfast. All right, guys.
Interesting. Thank you.
We have to try out all the English breakfasts in town. Because
Also here on the left side, this is a completely renovated.
Oh, this is coffee. This is a classic coffee, it's called. Interesting, guys. There's so many new places. It changes all the time, guys. And you know what? There's a big burger joint coming to Da Nang very soon. I'm so excited. I think they're gonna be here in June. It's gonna be called Chops. I had it in Hoi An and I really like it. I really like Chops. What's going on here? There's so many spas left and right. What is the name, Marcus? Here, Phanton, right? Phanton?
From what?
The street here?
Something with Fung.
Yeah, I think Phanton. Yeah. We have a very interesting Grand Ocean hotel here. Lots of people like that one. Ah, Van Lin. Ah, true.
Yeah, it's Van Lin.
It's also home of my favorite Hanoi rice dish place. It's called Com Na Vui. Very good. This is a very interesting spot. Maybe Marcus, that's a spot for our coffee shop.
I had this in mind.
For your coffee shop.
What was it before?
I don't know. Oh, I think it was a spa.
Oh.
So this is, I think, the phone number.
Yeah, let me check because it looks nice.
Yeah, it's a big space. I'm wondering if you can sit outside here or not. Huh. It's not a real house, it's just a flat, yeah. It's just a metal roof.
Yeah,
So,
I think it's like a fast construction. So
yeah. Yeah, we gotta see. But this is also very nice. And this is a Arabica coffee and bread. Huh. I still don't understand the concept. I think you should have, I mean, it sounds like it's Arabica coffee, but do they sell coffee? Do they offer coffee? Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna go to Lelo Street right now, where the Aussie Bistro is. I'm gonna check out how the lads are doing. I'm gonna say hi, and Marcus is gonna go to a barbershop. Also a new barbershop. A bigger brand now, I think, too. I think this barbershop where Marcus is going now, actually it's at least the third store they have. So they're pretty successful. They also have the full package. You can have the hair wash, the massages and everything you can get there too. Yeah, we are at the Lelo Street. It is drizzling, it's not good weather. It's still not cold or anything like that, but Yeah. Everything feels wet. But it's most likely everywhere now, here in this area. I think, Marcus, now Nha Trang would be best. Nha Trang, yeah, I'm pretty sure they don't have any rain in Nha Trang right now, or south, I believe. At least that's what my weather app said. Because the storm is heading north from here. It came to the central Vietnam and then went north. So it's gonna take all over the north and heading towards the Hainan Island. So this is the Aussie Bistro. Papa Bloke is there. I think they're gonna have a match. They're gonna have a pool billiard match. I'm gonna bring Marcus and then I'm gonna come. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! Oh, that's not that loud. I'm gonna come soon.
Did you heard this? They want to sell this place.
Yeah, so guess how much this place goes for here in Da Nang, okay? So wherever you see the fence, now comment below. I will actually reveal it next time. But comment below how much this piece of land cost here in Da Nang. I know the exact price.
And the German word for today is my recommendation is Grundstück.
Grundstück. All right. Oh.
And what is it in English?
Yeah, property.
Property.
Okay, I'm not gonna walk through that because there's a.
Okay.
But he has the Crocs on.
I have my very, very multifunctional shoes.
All right.
Bye bye.
Forever single. All right, I'm gonna go to the Aussie Bistro and have a drink. All right, guys. I'm gonna have a drink and then we're gonna continue walking from there. Hello. You look funny. Yeah. She likes me. But I gotta go. Look at this little tail. Yeah. Look at the little tail. Okay. I gotta go. I gotta go back in the rain. Goodbye. Okay. All right, guys, we continue. The rain, checking out the Lelo Street. My God. It's just a little bit more rain now than before. It's still not flooding. It rains the whole day. I think it rains since yesterday. So the flooding is not that bad. Some areas are a little bit underwater, but at least here in the An Trung area, it's pretty much okay. So, but I saw some pictures from Hue, which I can everyone recommend not to go when it's raining. Also, Hoi An could be also flooding. You need to be careful. Usually Hoi An, when it's raining very hardcore for 3 days, then it's flooding. Here it could flood in the city center. But here it's pretty good. To see it's raining non-stop, but no flooding. It's still kind of warm, but with the wind, it's cooling down, which is a pretty good thing actually, when it would stop rain. Marcus is at a barbershop, gonna have a nice 1 hour treatment or something like that. Yeah, I think this is also what you should do when it rains that much. Go to the spa. It's just not my thing. I don't like to go to spas, but maybe I should do that. The Ban Bao guy will always drive, no matter what rain. Even though he has an open fire in the back, it will never stop. Whew. Guys, they have a whey protein shop now here. They have protein powder in this pharmacy, guys, for all my gym bros. Oh God. All right, all right, all right. Okay. Now I just have to make it. Oh, Oh Lord. Okay, I'm gonna try to parkour my way through here. Yeah. Woo. It's pretty tough now since you have to walk on the sidewalk. And look at this is a big puddle of water. Okay, guess I think I can jump over there and not cut completely wet. Yes! Oh boy, yeah. This is reality right now here in Da Nang, Vietnam in the summer season. This was not the case last year. It should be actually completely dry now. But yeah, you can see here, they make it very hard to walk on the sidewalk and stay dry. Thank you. Yeah, but it's not impossible, actually. Just be always careful now also. With this rain, sometimes people cannot see, especially if they don't have glasses on. It's tough to see when the rain goes into your eyes all the time. But everyone is pretty much still driving motorbike right now. They just wear a good raincoat and that's it. And I also saw some people with an umbrella on while driving. It was pretty funny. Hello. Thank you. I should do that though. Just no patience for that. So I have to edit some videos. But yeah, I'm still walking for you guys, so please hit the like button. And oh, you. My view is very limited too. I'm trying to keep the camera dry. But yeah, look at this. Just a nice little U-turn in the middle of the street. Yeah, this is how it goes, guys. The Grab is still working. Sometimes I don't understand the cars here, especially Grab drivers. They just U-turn on the busy intersection just to save up some time instead of driving around the block. But I guess that's time is money, or not sure how that works here. Because they track where the Grab driver is driving, right? So, But sometimes it does not make sense. It takes sometimes longer to just U-turn on or three times turn, it's called. What is it, the German word again? I forgot it. Never mind, guys. I gotta go home. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and check out this video next. Hopefully this video will be sunny and beautiful. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.